Welcome to Brain Vision.
P1 it is equal to 11 bar and P3 it is equal to 2 bar, and here P2 we are going to take as the throat pressure, that is unknown here. Now N it has been mentioned to be equal to 1.135. We are going to use the formula P2 divided by P1, it is equal to 2 divided by N plus 1 raised to the power of N divided by N minus 1. So when we plug in the values, we get it to be equal to 2 divided by 2.135 raised to the power of n, that is 1.135 divided by n minus 1, which is equal to 0.135. And P1 it is here 11. So we solve and get P2 to be equal to 6.38, and the unit will be here bar again. Let us now proceed further with the solution. So from the property table, we have H1 to be equal to 2780 kilojoule per kg. H2 it is equal to 2679. X2 it is equal to 0.96, and now here we can calculate HD, that is equal to H2 minus H1. Sorry, H1 minus H2, that is equal to 101 kilojoule per kgs. Now again we can calculate the throat velocity C2 to be equal to 44.72 multiplied with under root of 101, which is on calculation equal to 449.4 meters per second. Now m dash it is equal to rho AV, that is equal to A2 divided by V2, that is equal to A2C2 divided by X2 multiplied with UG2, or we can write down here A2 to be equal to m dash multiplied with 0.96 multiplied with 0.297 divided by 449.4, that is on solving equal to 0.000634. Now here, and it will be m multiplied with m dash. Now here when we proceed further, we can write down x3 to be equal to 0.9, UG3 to be equal to 0.885 meter cube per kg at 2 bars. HD dash it is equal to H1 minus H3, that is equal to 2780 minus 2480, that is equal to 300 kilojoule per kgs. Now the exit velocity C3 it is equal to 44.72 multiply with under root of 300, which is equal to 774.6 meters per second. And A3, this is C3, and again now A3 will be equal to m dash multiply with 0.9 multiply with 0.885 divided by 774.6, which is equal to 0.001028 m dash again. And now we can finally calculate the ratio of the exit area divided by the throat area. Here exit area we are going to take it as A3 as we have just now calculated. So A3 divided by the throat area A2, which is equal to 0.001028 divided by 0.00634, since m dash is cancelled out, and finally on solving we get it to be equal to 1.62. Hence the answer for the question given.